Hey guys, how are we doing? Right, today we're going to be showing you a little fix for Pryamid. If you're having problems with it, this is for you. So, this is a fairly fresh version of Kodi 17.6. Pretty basic, there's only YouTube and the errors wizard on it. So, let's crack on, shall we? So, what you're going to want to do first of all is go to the wheel here on the main screen, give that a click. And you're going to go to File Manager. So once you're in File Manager, click Add Source. There we go. And now we're going to add the file source, which is going to be this address here. So I'll leave this on screen for a few moments. Let you have a look at that. And obviously it gives you a moment to put it in whatever device you're actually going to be using this on. So yeah, that's for you. So just going to check that a sec. Cute, yep. Okay, so we're going to OK this, guys. So I'm going to do that now. That's that set, and we're going to name this media file. So we're going to call this Pryamid Repo. There we go. OK that, and OK it again. So now we've added the file source. As you can see, it's just there. So if you just back out, back again, yep. So you're right at the beginning. Then you're going to go to add-ons, and we're going to click, I think, is it this one? Bear with me. Yep. Click that one, and then we're going to install from a zip file. So give that a click, and as you can see, here is the file we've just added. So we're going to give this a little click. There we go. Now what we're after here is the repository. You may want to have a look at this the zero tolerance wizard at some point, but today we're discussing how to install the Pryamid. So next bit we do is we give the repository a little click. Wait for the message to appear on screen. There we go. So now we have the repository installed. So next we're going to install from the repository. So I'll give that a click. And as you can see, it's here. So we're going to open this file. And we're going to go to video add-ons. Now, there's a few different ones in here you may be interested in. But as I say, we're going to get this one installed here. Oh, wrong button. Sorry, bear with me. Give that a click. And there's the option to install. Once that's done, there you go. We have the notification that the Pryamid is installed. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is the Pryamid. We'll just back out now. You can see on the video add-ons section, we just have two here. So we'll just give it a press. See it run. There we go. That's how it loads up very quick. And you've got the various different sections, such as releases, screeners, catch-up, documentary. I mean, the list goes on. I'd say a lot of content in here for you to enjoy. I'll just test something very quickly. Just press this quick. We'll just press this. I'm just going to do this quick because, as I say, it's a video. But usually a few seconds, everything works and up and running for you. So it's worth showing you this just very briefly. There you go. No buffering issues, it seems to be playing fine. Alright, we'll stop it there. Alright guys, so as I say, this is the Pryamid, and this is the way to install it with the official repository by Zero Tolerance. Hope you've enjoyed the video, everyone, and you found it useful. I'll see you all again very soon. Have a great weekend, and bye bye for now. Ta-ra.